Make us a campus, a green technology campus fully. So it is that just the beginning of that. What is that goal? Is 1 week will be considered as Environment Day, Environment Week. That is all the school children and all will go and clean all the environment and cleanness will be maintained. So we started that as the to bring green technology. What is green technology? Many of them are not knowing. That is tree plantation and fossil fuel type of transportation systems we have to completely stop. That is only with the cycle or other walking media we have to use for going around. Then another thing is the this power, thermal power plant, other thing or electric power. We want to convert into solar power plant. So as a beginning, we are going to start with in a girls' hostel around 250 kVA, one solar power plant we are going to install. And after the basic studying, every hostel one by one we want to put the solar power plant and some water heater, solar water heater and solar cooker also. The new hostel coming will install the solar cooker. Girls' hostel already started preparing for the solar cooker. So like that completely. The energy is a most important aspect in the future because you have to conserve what is called energy. Energy consumption per capita also increasing every day and day. So fossil fuels will be depleted after some time. Then you have to find alternative fuel. So biogas or what is biodiesel, all may be knowing biodiesel, biogas, then gasifier. Gasifier also they are doing a lot of research on gasifier because hydrogen will be the future fuel for the all the power gen. Now it looks like a fantasy, but within 2-3 years or before graduation, you may be knowing that many people are using gasifier and biogas and solar panels, solar heaters, solar cookers. Then completely green transportation system also completely changed because earlier human beings only walk. Even schools also go 2 kilometers, 3 kilometers walking is there. Now that tendency is gone. If you want to buy a matchbox, they want to take a car and go. If matchbox only. For buying a matchbox, they spend 1 liter petrol. That is the situation come. Everybody have lot of vehicles. So as our institute, as a technological institute, we should be a road model for all the institutes as well as public also. That is why the coordinators are there, our Anubhama Sharma and Dean Students Welfare, all these people are coordinated and the green technology, Go Green. There's a club also running. So I am very happy. I recall my sincere thanks for them to organizing such a program. And this should not stop today itself. Once it is started, function is over, it is 365 days. Like a service to the society is also 365 days. So it should be inbuilt in everybody, convey the message whenever required and continue the job of cleanness and green. That is the message you have to give. Anyhow, it is a good message that clean planet and green planet.
I'm studying computer science. Our director has given a nice speech here about the renewable resources. In our college, bikes are banned completely for pollution appearing here. They are planning to plant green trees here. In our hostels also, they are using solar panels for cooking. Like this, very much effectively we are using these renewable resources. Thank you.
Hi, this is Parshram from Electronics and Communication Department from Manit. In our college, our director took many steps for regarding renewable sources. In our college hostels, they started solar cookers, which meant for energy saving. Due to the director's speech, I came to know the use of I came to know the importance to save these energy resources for the future generations. And I also, in our college, our director sir has done many things. He banned the vehicles such as bikes and cars which uses the non-renewable resources. He made all students using cycles which is only important for dependent only for mechanical. Yes.
I'm Abhishek and I'm a part of the GreenX team of Manet. I'm from first year electronics. Uh, the use of renewable resources at Manet has grown rapidly, mainly thanks to the director sir because of introducing many new facilities such as solar cooker, solar heater in the new hostels and in the old hostels as well. And we usually find only cycles and cars. Bikes are banned at Manet. This is one of the major steps taken towards conservation of renewable resources at Manet. And thanks to the director sir for this, and we thank our GreenX team for making me a member of this. Thank you.